Okay, y'all, I'm back. So you're gonna need a piece that is 4.5 by 7 right here for the base of your little base for your ice cream shop, right? Let's see this. So basically, this is how it's gonna look, right? And just cover it like if you was covered anything else. This is the bottom. I wanted to put wheels on mines, but I only can find 3. I need one more, so I'm not going to put in. I usually put beads, but I wanted to put wheels, so I want to see if I can at least find one more. If not, then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna leave it flat. So let's see. This is what we're gonna do. So this is the bottom. So this is gonna sit on here. I know y'all can't see that, but once I glue it, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue the bottom of your, put glue on the bottom of this. So I'm gonna use my Fabri-Tac because it's gonna give me a little wiggle room. So what we're gonna do, if it's gonna work, or if is it gonna embarrass me, or is it gonna work? Which one you gonna do today? Okay, let's see. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know what's going on with this thing. It's coming out slow. And guess what? We don't got that time. So let's just put this in here like that. And we're going to glue this. Wait, make sure it's glued. Boom, 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 boom. Right? And I put a generous amount. So one thing I'm gonna do is this and pray for the best. Like this. Oh, this is so cute. It's there, so I can't move it or wiggle it. So this is the bottom. And it would have looked so good if I could have put these on it. But like I said, I only have 3. So I'll figure it out. But that is the bottom. I could have went a little down. If you don't want this much hangage on yours, just do it to 6.5. But I did it's okay. Because maybe I want to put something on the side or something. But yeah. There we go. I'm so excited how this came out. I will come back in a regular video to show y'all guys the complete run through it, how I decorated it. I still got a couple of things to put on these shelves, something to put on the counter. I don't know what I'm gonna hang up. I don't know if I'm so it's still out. But this is, like I said before, I'm doing this a series. I did the Valentine's Day Armoire / boutique. So I'm doing the flower shop. The next one I'm doing is a strawberry stand. Then the last one I'm going to do is a bookshop. And then that's going to be my 3D village, 3D store, something like that. And I'm going to have them all display. But the first 2 were swaps. So hopefully I can give the other 2 away. The strawberry stand and the bookshelf. And then when I do the tutorial, when I make the tutorials are mine. So, guys, with that being said, I love you for free, and there's nothing you can do about it. Until next time, bye.